So, in this next section, I would like you guys to get a little familiar with Selenium IDE. Now, that's the record and replay tool that we're going to use just to get a little bit of familiarity of what automated software testing can look like. This is by no means the way that you're going to be writing your tests, and I will make sure that you guys learn the proper way. Record and playback is never the correct way to write automated software tests. But just so you guys can understand the functionality of Selenium, I would like to show you guys a few pieces. So, the goal of our automated software test is going to be that first test case that we created in our sprint planning, which was to go to qtptutorial.net and log in. So let's go ahead and try and do that. So we can open up our Firefox and then go to developer, and this is going to open up. You can open Selenium IDE. What you're going to notice is this window comes up here on the side. I'm going to push this to the side, and the Selenium IDE will be right next to it, windows side by side. In fact, this will be good. So, when you open Selenium, the very first thing you notice is this little red button. It's already in record mode because it's pressed down. So, it's going to be recording our every single manual step. So, when I go to and hit enter, watch this window over here. Nothing happened yet because we need to perform an action. So the next step that we're going to do is enter Selenium test user. So right away, what you guys see is two steps have appeared. First, we have a command that opened wp-login.php because our base URL is qtptutorial.net. So all this does is append this to the end. And now we also typed in ID user login, and the value was this. We can also type in the password. And then we can hit login. So what you guys saw here is another command called type that had a target of user pass with this value, and then we click the login button, and we can stop our test by clicking this red icon here that's going to stop recording. Great. You guys see that? So over here on the left side we have the commands, right? Those are the actions like opening a browser, typing something in, and then clicking and waiting a button. Over here you have the target, that where the action is performed, and then over here on this value side, that's the value that you're passing in, usually into something like a web edit box or some kind of text edit box, or maybe into like a search box, whatever. That's where you're passing in the value.